In this video, I'll show you how to find Cash App account number. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. First off, you need to open the app on your mobile device. Now, once you've done that, go to the left bottom part of your on the screen. You will see your cash tag here. When you click on that, what will happen is you would be able to get some numbers here. It's basically the routing and account number. It's blurred for the obvious reasons, but what you can do is simply you have the options to copy the routing number and copy the account numbers. Okay. Plus, you have to be aware that Cash App may also send this information via email when you sign up for direct deposit. So you don't need to go manually to your Cash App. Just go to your email and you may find the account numbers and routing numbers there. Okay. And also, if for some reason you can't access the account and routing number on your mobile device and you're having problems, simply what you need to do is simply contact the Cash App support. By doing so, clicking your profile icon, go to the bottom below, click support. It's either you go to something else or just start a chat, all right? And they'll be more than glad to assist you with any problems you are encountering finding your Cash App account number or routing number. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.